Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Yeah, instance is waking up. Meanwhile, so I may write few use cases for a Glide user API. Okay. So we haven't discussed about these methods, right? For each method, I will write one use case. Okay. First one, verify if the current logged in user having any role. Okay. Verify if the current logged in user has any role. So next I'm going to another use case. So here also I'm writing as in like use case. Please la current logged in user. Okay. Third use case. Verify if the current logged in user having for example Servicenow admin role. Okay. Fourth use case. Verify if current logged in user having any of service now admin comma service now so developer comma service now testing. Okay, the roles. Okay, verify the current login user having service now admin role again. Okay, so these are the use cases I have written and we can verify once. So I'm just going to narrate IT table here, create new. So maybe in the narration IT table, I will write a glide record. Okay. Then set it down. Configure clients. New clients to time creating. Okay. Check if user having any role. Check if user having any role. So I'm just making all type is unload. So here I'm writing like this. If G underscore user dot has roles, G underscore user dot has roles. You can say returns true if the current user has any role. Okay, returns true if the current logged in user having any role. Yes. Alert. User logged in user having roles. Else that logged in user does not having roles. Okay. Having roles. So I just return like this. Save it. You can come here, take duplicate window. I will try to, you can say logged in user having roles. So I will try to deactivate these alert messages. Okay, first name, last name. Configure client scripts. Then I'm just making that part. Okay. So and I have one more issue actually. Settings. Yeah, perfect. Now you can come and say whenever we are refreshing, it is showing logged in user having the roles. So if we impensate to Anji user also having the roles. It will show maybe even able tutor having the roles. We will verify. I'm just impensated to able tutor. Then come and refresh here. Oh, this user don't have access. Okay, able tutor. Maybe Anji user having the access. Okay. I'm impensating to the another user. I'm impensating to Anji user. Come and refresh here. You can see this person also don't have access to this. I'm just sending the impensation. So I'm just going to elevated role, security underscore admin, update. First of all, I may provide full access to all users. Okay, this Naresh IT table. Otherwise, I cannot show this example.
So what is the difference between elevate role and incompression user?
Impensate user means indirectly logging into
Other
the other user. Impensate means.
Privilege difference will be there. Like
Sorry. Yeah,
uh,
elevator privilege is a role. Okay, so that role will not come directly when once upon the login. You have to select manually. Okay, elevated roles will not come directly. We have to select those roles manually. So you can check where is Naresh IT. I think we don't have rules right for Naresh IT, right? At least I will create one role, one ACL for that. About your underscore parent Naresh IT. Yeah. Security attribute. User is authenticated. And at least we have provided right access also. Insert, yeah. Delete. Okay. Yeah, we have successfully created 4 cells for that table, Naresh IT table. Now you can impensate to somebody in the organization. Maybe I'm impensating troubleshooter. So I'm just trying to refresh this page. You can see logged in user having the roles. Yes. So basically able to transfer having some roles. So I'm just impensating to another user. Maybe I'm impensating to Newton. This user we imported by using LDAP. Okay. So we haven't assigned any roles to this user. Impensate user. It has to provide false statement now. Once you refresh, you can say logged in user does not having the roles. Got it? You have seen positive statement and negative statement. Both you have seen. If user having any roles, it will show logged in user having roles. User don't have any roles, it will show logged in user does not having any roles. Okay, this is the example. So here you have any queries, let me know. I'm just telling the implementation. So I will copy the code to note that. Okay. So any queries here? Tell me any queries. Next, I'm going with another example. Verify if the current logged in user having the Servicenow underscore admin role. Okay. For this, I'm just verifying with the role method. User has role. Okay. Here I'm providing the role. Servicenow underscore admin. So wait. Logged in user having the Servicenow admin role. Servicenow admin role. Does not having the Servicenow admin role. Okay. I'm just saving it. So earlier we have discussed about the has roles. Now we are discussing about the has roles. Now you can just come and refresh here. Now it has to display. You can say logged in user having Servicenow admin role. It is showing. Why? Because so if it is a has roles method, it will display true whether it is having the admin role or the specified role. Okay, logged in user having Servicenow role or admin role. You can also note down like this. Logged in user does not have Servicenow admin role or admin role. Okay, so I'm just saving it. I'm just saving it. Now you can come and refresh here. For this admin user, it will show like this only, user having the role because he is having the admin role. So for example, I'm impensating to the user. Maybe I'm impensating to the Venkat user. So basically Venkat user having Servicenow developer group member. He is a Servicenow developer group member. He is having the role called Servicenow underscore developer. Now you can come and refresh. It has to display false statement. You can say logged in user does not have the Servicenow admin role or admin role. So if I impensate to end user, it will show the positive statement. Okay. So you can say like it will say end user having the service now underscore admin role or admin role. It will show like that. You can say logged in user having service now admin role. This is one example. Next. Next example you can say verify if the current logged in user having any of the specified roles. Okay, we'll verify that. For this, we can use roles from list. Okay, roles from list. So I'm just user dot has roles from list. Okay, I'm just using this. So here I'm providing the roles comma separate service now admin service now underscore developer comma service now underscore test. Okay. Logged in user having the specified. I will just mention like specified role. Logged in user does not have it. Instead of mentioning all the roles, I will just mention specified role. Okay. I'm just saying. Okay, we are in user, right? That's what is not accepted. That's fine. I'm just telling you. Hmm. So I'm just saving it. Okay. First of all, for the system administrator user, you can come and refresh here. You can see what happens. Logged in user having the specified role because this roles from list also accepts if user having admin role or the specified roles within that list. So for example, I'm impensating to the able tutor. For able tutor, he has to display false statement. User does not having the specified role. You can come and refresh here. You can see logged in user does not having specified role because this able tutor user don't have admin role, even don't have any of service now roles. Okay. So that's why it is showing the false statement. For example, I'm impensating to Swati user. She is from service now testing group. For her, it will show a true statement only. Okay, having the specified roles. You can see. So this is another example. I'm just telling the implementation. Copying it and I'm pasting here. Next example. Verify the current logged in user having the service now admin role. Okay. Logged in user having the service now admin role. So for this I'm using role exactly. Okay, for this requirement I'm using role exactly method. So we are with service now administrator. You,
Third one is same with fifth one or a different one?
yes, a kind of same. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Roles exactly easy underscore dot user dot has roles exactly role exactly logged in user having the specified role. Just same keeping the same statement in the alert messages. Okay. Now you can come and verify. So it will check exact role. For the even system administrator, it is showing it does not having the specified role. So for example, if we impensate to the end user, if we impensate to the end user, okay, it will show user having the specified role. Then come and refresh here. So you can see logged in user having the specified role. Even for other users like Abel Tutor, Bank, Abraham Lincoln, it will show does not have a specified role on it. Okay. So I'm just copying this to Notepad. So from these examples, if you have any queries, let me know. I may pause for 1 minute here. Any queries? No?
No, sir.
Okay. Next concept is UI script. UI script is also a client-side programming. Okay, UI script is also a client-side programming. So we can note down about the theory part first. I will tell you one example with UI script. UI script. So basically, UI script stores the client-side JavaScript. Okay, how script includes stores the server-side programming, like that UI script stores the client-side scripting. Okay, client-side reusable scripting, we can say. UI script stores the client-side reusable scripts. Just specify UI scripts. You can see the URL. UI scripts provide a way to package client-side JavaScript into a reusable form, similar to how scripting to store server-side JavaScript. Okay, so I'm just copying this statement. UI scripts provide a way to package client-side JavaScript into a reusable form, similar to how scripting to store a server-side JavaScript. Okay, within the UI scripts, we have global UI scripts. You can note down. You can create UI script and designate it as a global, which makes the script available on any form in the system. You cannot create a global UI scripts in a scoped applications. Just copying it. Global UI scripts. Global UI scripts. Okay, and so I will also copy this URL. Okay. Next, what is the navigation for UI scripts? You can type UI script here. UI script. Under system UI, we have UI scripts. Under system UI, we have UI scripts. Okay. UI scripts table name is sys underscore UI underscore script. We can check the table. We can see sys underscore UI underscore script. Copy. So, for example, I'm going to create a new UI script. So, for example, we have created multiple custom table sets. Everywhere we have used the email field. So, for example, I'm going to explain you like validating the email. So, once we enter the email address, we just need to verify whether we have entered the proper email format or not. Okay. Validate email. This is my UI script name. I'm just making it as a global. Okay, here I am declaring one function validate email. This is my function. Okay, and so you can see within that function, I'm just declaring. Okay, first of all, I will take one regex expression where arrange. Okay, I'm just taking one regex expression for email validation. Here I'm passing a email attribute. Okay, here I'm passing a email attribute. You can come and see email validation rejects. Email rejects. Yes. So we have multiple, you will find the multiple email rejects. email validations. Okay. So I'm just taking any one email regex. Okay. I'm just copying it. So I'm pasting here. Okay. This is my email regex. Next. If email not equal to empty, email not equal to empty, if email not equal to empty, so I'm just matching the email with this regex expression. You can say email dot match regex. Okay, email dot match regex. I'm just like whatever the text we have provided in the email field, I'm just matching with this regular expression. Okay, if it is matches, I'm just making alert. So valid email. Okay, valid email. Else, I'm just saying alert invalid email. Okay. Yeah, team again. So this regular expression is not related to Servicenow. It is for entire scripting. It may be JavaScript, Python, .NET, anywhere we can use this regular expressions. Okay, you don't think it is a Servicenow scripting. So we just use this regular expression. Okay. I'm just saving this UI script. Save. So for example, here we have email field. For example, here we have email field. For example, I'm just saying Anji123. So if I type like this is not a valid email format, right? It has to throw one alert message, invalid email. Okay, it has to throw one alert saying invalid email. You may come and wait. I think we are in different, yeah, system administrator. I'm just refreshing the form, reload. So I'm just deactivating this client script. My explanation is completed, right? I'm taking new client script, new on-chain client script on the email field. Okay. So I'm just saying validate mail. Okay. In desktop, I'm selecting all, type on change. Here I'm just typing on change on the email. Okay. So even while loading the form also, I just want to verify. It's simple. Okay. So you just copy this, validate it. Copy. You can paste it here. Yeah. So it's done. It's done. So here you can provide new value, or you may provide g_underscore form dot get value of u underscore email. Anything is fine. I'm just saving. Wherever you have email field, you can call this UI script. Okay, it will be executed. Now you can come and refresh here. So email is empty. That's what, nothing is displayed. For example, I'm saying Anji123. So you can see it is saying something. On-chain script error, invalid regular expression. That. Oh, it is saying invalid regular expression. I think we made some mistake within the regular expression. I may take some other regular expressions. Okay. Wait. How can I validate even address using regular expression? How to create regular expression? Maybe I take the other regular expressions. Okay. Oh, here here we are having the bigger emails, regular expressions. I'm looking for the smallest one. Basic email validation regular expression pattern. I may take this. Okay. Just copying this. So I may paste it here. Okay. And you can just refresh here. I'm just saying something like Anji. You can see invalid email. So for example, I'm saying anji@gmail.com. Valid email. So for example, I just keeping like this. You can see mail.com. Valid. Like based upon the regular expression we have provided here, okay? So it will work, whether it is a valid or invalid. Even you can see, even I kept up to Gmail, it is accepting as a email. So like as per this regular expression, it is accepting, okay? Enhancing email validation with advanced regex. Maybe I will try for this. No, I don't want it. Wait, you can check for others. Here I'm providing some test validity. Anji at the rate of Gmail. Output test. Form. Wait. So you will find multiple things, okay? Like I'm just closing with this, okay? You can verify the proper regular expression for the email, okay? So for example, we can consider this is a reusable code, okay? We can use this code anywhere in the Servicenow system. We don't require to write again and again this code, okay? Just copying this code to Notepad. So this is about UI scripts, okay? I'm just planning to stop class here. So we may start tomorrow with the business rules concept, okay? I'm just taking the attendance. Tomorrow I will start with a business rule concept. Mostly I will cover theory part tomorrow. Theory, and we can note down few methods, business rules related methods. So any queries here, let me know from the UI scripts or from the client scripts. So we have done with client side scripting. Okay, tomorrow we are entering into the server side scripting. That is business rules. And so basically within the client side scripting, we have another API, right? GlideAjax. So actually that GlideAjax API will use along with the scripting tool. Okay, while discussing about scripting tool, we will see the GlideAjax. Any queries, let me know from the client side scripting. Victoria, any queries from previous classes? Aziz, Lata.
No.
Then we are.
I have one question.
Yes, Jaya, tell me.
Yeah. So suppose if we have in the client script we have editable like we can edit the field in the client script, but in the UI policy we cannot edit. It's a read only. So as per you said, client script will run first and then the UI policy will run.
So basically,
So the
like
output will be
what? Wait. So you made the mandatory client script or read only leave a policy, right?
yeah, kind of.
Exactly. So basically, here the output is mandatory only. Okay, you can try executing this scenario. Okay, you will find out.
Okay.
Yeah. So because you are trying to, for example, you are trying to make mandatory from the client script, okay, and you are trying to make read only from the UI policy. But first, whenever the client script is executed, it is setting field is mandatory. Then after you are trying to set field read only, but you are not removing the mandatory, right? then the
Yeah.
final reflection should be mandatory only. Got it?
Okay. Okay, got it.
Yeah. Any queries, team? No? Yeah, thank you, team. So we'll meet tomorrow with business rules concept. Stopping the recording.